Hey, so this is Narendra. So in this tutorial, we will discuss like whatever the things were left. We have checked all your blogs. So really, your all efforts are good, but still there are so many other things you need to take care. So I'm going to discuss these things one by one. So first, let's log in here. So I'm already logged in. So now let's come to all post. So the most important thing like you need to know, if you already published a blog, then still you can edit it anytime you want. So if you like, I already, this blog is already published, so you can check this blog like this, it's showing. So I'm just clicking on edit. Okay, so there are two, three things we need to take care. Like the one is, many guys are not using the code block. So the code block, it's the most important block for at least for our coders. So we can add this code block using this plus add button, HB add all things. So in this we can search for the code, and we can add this code block like this. And here you can write all the codes you want. So the other things you need to take care is about like the one here you can search for page breaks. So the main benefit for the page breaks is like, if you have like, just see the example. So in this example, like we are seeing this MPU 6050 Arduino based project. So in this project, there is two parts, like the one is Arduino based part, and the second one, it can be this MPU processing part. So where we are able to see this MPU 60 movement in the real time. So the second part, it's optional. Obviously, if you don't check, like if you are seeing the value in the Arduino, the project is already done. But still, if you want to visualize it as we are seeing here, whatever the like how if we are moving the MPU 6050, so the same this teapot will move, right? So this way, so you can say like there is two part of this project. So then all in this case only you can add this break. Otherwise, for the if you are having different topics, then you don't need to use the page breaks. You will have to choose a different post for that. Okay. And whatever the changes you have done, and after that you have to publish, submit for the review. May take 1 or 2 or 3 days, so you don't worry about it, like you just left it. Like you need to remember one thing here, like whatever the post you are doing, you need to take care of credits too. Like if you want, you are giving you are taking reference from somewhere else, like for example, if you are taking the reference from this blog, if you are taking this image, obviously you will need to take like you will need to give credit to this blog. Like you are taking like this, you can give, for example, like you can, if you are, we have taken this image from somewhere, so you can give credit like this. Source, you can write here source, and whatever the source name is, like this, it may be this URL, so you can type this URL like this, so it will be enough. Okay. So now the important thing, one more important thing to need to take care, like whoever is not using the Grammarly kind of tools for this, like typing, so just please download. I just suggest you to everyone to download this Grammarly, because it's a free app, and you will get like lot of benefit of it. So it auto correct all the things, like it suggests for whatever the your grammar is incorrect, or the whatever the you are writing, if the word is incorrect, so it will suggest the correct word. So it helps us a lot in typing speed, is your typing will be faster. Okay, so just download, you can download it from their main website. And one more important thing is like about the Google Drive. So in the Google Drive, as I told you to make a folder and share with share with robuslog@gmail.com. So the first thing you need to take care, you have to share with robuslog@gmail.com. This thing please note it down. You if any many guys are trying to send on info@robuslog.in, so please take care of this this mail. So you have to share with robuslog@gmail.com. Okay, and the second one thing you need to take care, you have to give this editor as a editor, so that anytime if we want to add something, so we can add and we can edit something if it's there. Okay, now let me tell like what the things you have to collect in this folder. So for that, let's understand uh, as a template folder. So we have some kind of we already have 500 plus project in our drive that we collected time to time. We have tested all these projects. So check this digital tab folder, like it's our one of our project that obviously innovative, that is different from others ideas. So like in this folder you can see we have kept here the bridging file, that is obviously a breadboard file, that circuit diagrams. And the second is a code folder in which all the codes are there. You can also keep this folder too. In this same folder you can keep this. And others thing like here, the PDF file or the Word file. So only the Word file is mandatory, PDF file it doesn't matter much. With three things, by making a folder, of course you have to make the folders too for the project name. So first let's make a folder. The project name should be, or simply you can keep, I guess the better will be Arduino, you can keep here. So that, yes. And if you have other, you are using other controllers like AVR, PIC, anything you want, you are using, so you can type this thing here, right? And also make sure every time you are dealing with electronics codings etc, so the better is to use underscore rather than giving a space in the renaming the things. So okay, so now we can create this folder, and then we can upload these files to inside this folder like this. So you will get all the files here. So that's all. Like this way we can easily find anything we want. And also the flow diagram, if you want to make, so you can make, but it's optional, obviously you don't need to. It's not a compulsory. And also one more thing, like the what in the text file I have already told you, there should be required component, there should be introduction, and there like some kind of application also you can tell. And if there is any principle, you can obviously you can include that too, like this. They have just given the introduction, then parts, and some like the principle they have told, like how this works, and then the circuit diagrams, pin connection, and then some explanation. So this is like how you can make a good blog. Okay then, thank you so much guys.